Hello, dear. In this video you will know how to download, install and make compressed file from WinRAR. What is WinRAR? The data compression, encryption and archiving tool for Windows that opens RAR and ZIP files. If you are new in my YouTube channel, click on red button and subscribe my YouTube channel Apex Tech World. Let's start the video. Open WinRAR site. Link is in description of this video. Download WinRAR as per your requirement of your computer, either 32-bit or 64-bit. WinRAR is download. To install, double-click on it. Click on Install. OK. Done. You may delete this file. How to open any compressed file with WinRAR. Take one compressed zip file. I am taking this latest USB zip file. Right-click on it. Open with RAR. These are all compressed files. To extract zip file to any specific folder, right-click on zip file. Extract here. To extract zip files in same folder, right-click on zip file. Extract to your same name folder. How to make any compressed zip or RAR file. Take some files. I am taking these two files. Select both files. Right-click on selected files. Go to Add to Archive. Name this zip file. I am naming it as Document. To set password in zip file, click on Set Password. Set password. I am setting 1, 2, 3. Click on OK. Compressed zip file is created by inserting these two files. To extract, right-click and go to Extract. Type password 1, 2, 3. Zip file is extracted. Thank you. Subscribe my channel if you love this video. Love you all.